Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Are you on MEXC and want to create an API key? If yes, then we are going to learn how to exactly create an API key on MEXC application. First of all, open the MEXC app on your mobile device, or you may also open it up on a web browser. Sign into your account with your credentials, and once you are in, go ahead and click on the human icon at the top left corner. From this profile section of your MEXC account, click on API Management at the bottom. On the next page, you can go ahead and manage your API or create your new API key. Once you end up in this page, go ahead and select your preferences. If you want to view account details under Spot, check on this little first box. Under Trade, check whether you'd like to view trades or order details. Under Withdraw, you can choose to view withdrawal or deposit details or simply withdraw. Under Transfer, select Read Transfer Information or Transfer, make your selection and go to Futures. Now, under the Futures tab, similarly you can go ahead and choose to view account details or not, depending upon your preferences. Under Trade, choose View Order Details or Order Placing if supported. And under Notes, go ahead and write down a note for yourself. After writing down the notes, go to the next field and enter your IP addresses link in the text boxes. Since it's an optional, you can also skip this. And now click on I have read box and finally click on Create. In order to create the API, you need to verify with security verification. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, then enter your authentication code and then verify your email with 6-digit code. And once done, click on the Submit button. Soon after you do that, you will be able to create an API key on MEXC. After you do that, you can connect your account to trading tools or portfolio trackers. So that is how you easily create API key on MEXC. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.